Squirrelly Acres. As you can see by the houses around me, I'm not up at the property where I really should be. You know, so nice and peaceful up there. Anyway, it would have been Saturday of this past week. We were set up in the backyard just to have a nice time, grilling some stuff. And we knew that some bad weather was coming in, and we thought we had time. Went up inside, we ate. Clouds were getting really dark, and we thought, oh my goodness, we should get out there and take the canopy off the easy up. Doing a few things, and before you know it, we lost track of time. Storm comes in, picks the canopy up. Granted, yes, I know we didn't have it weighted down, but we had intentions of taking the canopy cover off. So anyway, what you see behind me is, you can see this bar, that bar over there is busted. Over there is a bar busted. And I have intentions of fixing this. We thought about throwing away. It cost us $110, I believe. The original price of it is $150. But I thought to myself, you know, I wonder if somewhere on the internet you could not buy replacement parts for this. Well, lo and behold, I found a place, and there's a store on Amazon. It's called There and Back. They sell replacement parts for various different types of these shade awnings. Ozark Trail, Coleman, Quick Shade, Easy Up, Quest, Chapter Canopy, Quick Shade, Pets, Euromax. So I started to look. I actually went on to Easy Up's page, and those particular cross members weren't available. So doing some further search, found some available on Amazon. You know, I saw that list of all the places that they sell parts for, and lo and behold, I found the part that I needed. I got it. We're going to go over here and we'll pick it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what came in the mail. It swivels just like the original. The difference here is the parts aren't the same. So this part here slips over the bar. It is kind of loose. But what I'm going to try is, I'm going to take these pieces they sent off, and I'm going to use Easy Up's original pieces just to see if it will work on the canopy. If it doesn't, then all I have to do is just reassemble it with their parts on there. But other than that, I set it up initially, and it does appear as if the parts will work. All right, oops. I was taking this up to try and speed up the video a little bit, but what I was going to do was this bar and this bar from the other side, I was going to hook them together. That way I have original pieces. But as I took this apart, That bar is bent. So I'm not going to be able to do that. Let's get this other one taken apart. And so see, the pieces come out together. All right, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to get the other part, and I'm going to replace a couple pieces on the new bars. Right now, I'm just going around tightening these things up, and I want to show you I pretty much got it all together, but on this side and over on that side I had to take this centerpiece out so I could get access to the screw. So let's just finish this all up. Screwed that up. Screwed up the screw. I put in the wrong size. All right, there you have it. I've got it done. I am put some parts down here. These are the old parts that were right in here, and as you can see, I swapped them out, and now they look like all the others. Something I did notice, one of these holes weren't drilled exactly right, but I think it'll still operate. So let's see if it opens up fully. I still have to fix that part of the leg yet. First, let's see if it'll close. You're supposed to be able to grab this just from the center of these. And it looks like it closes up pretty good. I don't know. Anybody got some tips and tricks and stuff like this? The only trick that I know about is to get up inside here and lift these up. That's the best trick that I know of. There you have it. Just like it came out of the factory. For 50 bucks. I think, oh, 56 with shipping and all that. So 56 bucks versus another 100, and I got to throw this thing away. To me, I think it's well worth the price to take the time, put it together. Well, granted, I didn't show you everything that I did, but save yourself some money. Look online. See what the replacement parts cost. If it's worth it, replace it. Now, this leg, this leg over here is slightly bent. I may have to replace it, but it doesn't really look like it was cracked any. I think it'll be fine. So I'm done with this little project. We'll be able to reuse this now instead of throwing it away. Until next time, guys. We'll see you later.